came here as a geography graduate from Delhi University, and this course was completely new to me at that point in time, wherein the first thing I knew about sustainable development was through environmental geography, in which we were studying about the UN conferences that used to take place every year, and it didn't really make sense to me. But the day I entered this college, the first session that we had about what this course is going to entail, that just opened the horizon for us to be able to experience different subjects as such, from public policy to public health to GIS to management studies. We had courses which were like so different from each other, giving us the sheer experience of every field and putting us at foot with all other courses in this university. We have had this privilege of having a reality check in which we were just thrown in the field to understand as to what the practicalities of all the literature that we are reading every day. So as a whole, I would just suggest that this course has been an enriching experience, and it has given us the strength and put us in the same platform as any other graduate from any other subject. I was able to go and attend a UN Youth Assembly in which I presented my thesis, which were on augmentation of universal health coverage. That just got me back all the memories which I had during this, which I had gathered during the college. The master's thesis on augmentation of universal health coverage, which I started as my master's thesis while I was at Delhi School of Advanced Studies, took me places as I was able to present my thesis at the UN Youth Assembly in New York last year, wherein I got inputs from different countries and different people from different sectors who were able to analyze as to what and how much development has taken place in India. I was able to represent my country, which was a big thing altogether for me, and representing the college where I had come from. I would also like to say that in the future, I see myself doing a lot more in the public advocacy domain, and I feel that this course has helped me and opened the horizon for all of us in different aspects. And I would really like to thank our faculty and the professors here who have really helped us in cherishing every bit of this course as such. So thank you.